Oh boy, here it is, guys. It's a 70 custom Ford Maverick. This is from ICEMAN Collections. He's putting it out for 2 weeks, starting on Saturday. So if this is Saturday that you're seeing it, you better buy it because 2 weeks, they're gone. These are all limited production. I don't know if he'll ever do it again. So I would grab this if you guys can. He's done a lot of work to make this happen. I know that the measurements and stuff were a thing, you know, he went through and redid the whole kit. So it's pretty much a full kit minus the motor. Let's crack this thing open, man. He actually has real chrome parts in here. Oh, I screwed it up, man. Now I blew the surprise, guys. Of course, you get one of these. Chrome parts. What resin kit out there do you know that comes with chrome parts? I don't know of many. If there's any, I don't know. I mean, I haven't seen any, so there you go. Grill, bumpers, all chrome. And you can keep the chrome parts. This particular kit he sent me comes with extra ones, so which I'll show you right now. Let's move this back here. Oh boy, here's the goodies. We got the seats. Of course, you guys got to clean up a little bit on these things, so not real hard to clean these up though. This stuff sands really, really easy. So if you guys have never gotten this, it's not so bad. There you go. Seats, the dash, guys, the dash. It's got the stock dash. Easy to clean up. And an unchromed grill. There you go. And he's got one, a plain unchromed grill. Pretty nice. Looks like a 9-inch Ford Ram. Probably like an 8 and, what's that, 8 3/4 or something, whatever they came out with. Another bumper unchromed. Another bumper unchromed. I'll probably chrome my own bumpers. I like chroming my own stuff, so that new Revell stuff's pretty good. So a mirror. Let's see here. It's a little blinker light bucket, I think, or something. I think so. And your red parts, your brake light, or brake lights, I think. Steering wheel. The inside of the mirrors. No, that's a marker. Another one. Another one. And another one. Awesome stuff. So check this out, guys. Krager's BF good wrenches. That's the wrong side of the tire. That's the tire side that you'll use. And this, I don't know, for some reason it fell in there. And they've got their sleeves that you put on the front of these, so they look like that. Pretty nice wheel. Tire here, another one. Another one. There you go. And the wheels, you know, they're all going to be the same. Good quality too, of course. I'd expect nothing less. Oops, sorry guys, I bumped the camera. Vacuum formed windshield and window in the back. And chrome wheels, if you want to do it, keep his wheels, which I might use his wheels, because unless I do something totally different, because his chrome might look better than mine. So, and this picture, this camera is not doing this chrome justice, man. Whoever did these chrome parts for him did a really, really nice job. Really nice job. Let's check out the chassis and the body and the interior tub. Here is the chassis. Nice and clean too. This is nice, guys. The interior tub. And I like how he's got the window cranks raised. Those are nice. Really nice. Very easy to detail this. And the body, guys. Look at that. Nice, nice clean body. This one needs a little bit of cleanup like in here, but this is pretty easy, guys. I can handle that. It's easy to sand this stuff. I like the hood on here. Really nice, easy to work with. So that is what I've been excited about, guys. When I got this package in the mail, I was like, yay, like a kid at Christmas time. But that's my update for you guys. And we are coming along really nicely on the USAC truck build. We're moving along on that, and I'll do a video on that. I think I'm going to get some rest this weekend because I have been under the weather. And I wanted to get this video out for Joel for this Maverick. So, because I was excited and I appreciate everything he does for us. So, with that being said, why do you watch this crap? All right, guys. I'm glad you guys do. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell. Sign up for Joel's newsletter. Look for this Saturday morning, man. I'd be buying them because it's a limited time offer. Look out for my Facebook page, Chuck's Hobby Spot. Don't forget to join my group. That's everything model related. Cars, ships, planes, figures, airbrushing, 3D printing, anything you want to put up there as long as it's got something to do with the hobby. And if you want to even advertise your YouTube, go ahead, man. I'm all good with that. So anyway, so let's go ahead and end this video right here. Thank you, Joel, with ICEMAN Resins for sending this to us. This is a great gift. I appreciate it. And I'm going to get on sanding it maybe by Sunday. So you guys take care. Have a great weekend. Talk at you in the next vid. Bye now, folks.